Guten Abend. Good day. Welcome to the DEVI stand here in ISH. We're presenting some of our new products along with some of our older products for electric underfloor heating. As some of you might know, some of you might not know, we've been in the electric heating business for 80 plus years. We're globally represented company, part of Danfoss, of course. So here on the stand, we're presenting our self-limiting cable range. We're presenting our indoor heating range. We do have outdoor heating as well for purposes of frost protection, underfloor heating, ice and snow melting systems, for your safety, for your comfort. So the future is electric, as most of us know. We're here presenting also the DEVI Basic and the DEVI Room, two of our new thermostats coming for the new heating season. These thermostats are powered by 230 volts power supplies. They're compliant to the Neo Eco Design Block 20 rules for local space heating. Of course, we're also presenting our older designs for the DEVI Touch and the DEVI Smart, touchscreen and Wi-Fi thermostats, respectively. So the new thing for DEVI and the new motto for DEVI, what we're really going for is make it easy, make it DEVI. So that means, you know, we're trying to make it easy to install. We're making it controllable easily for end users, and we're making an upgradable system. To easily display our new upgradable system is, we have our thermostat mounted here. It's of course already functioning. So that means if you want to upgrade your system, you go to your system. Either you can dismount it by a screwdriver from the bottom, or as you see here, me demonstrating, pulling it off, essentially the power supply. Behind here, we have a power supply that is powered by an SCLV circuit, which means it's safe to touch, safe to be around. There's no problems here anywhere. The system is powered currently. And if you have an upgradable system like the one we have here, you can take your thermostats and then you can place them onto your wall and you'll be up and running in no time. So that's the thing with the new thermostats. We're building on the same power supply system, still 16 amps, still all the things you need from the power supply system, of course, with the floor sensor mounted, as you can see here in our demonstrating stand with our electric heating mat. The electric heating mat shown here is for thin applications, which means it's adhesive. When it comes out of the box, everything's glued down to the mat. You roll it out, connect it up, have your electrician connected up, of course, and then you're up and running in no time with DEVI. So the main thing for us is we're making it as easy as possible for you. We're providing you with an upgradable system, lifespan of around 50 years, a warranty of 20 years with a floor guard warranty. So for the future, make it easy, make it DEVI.